I haven't run this one in a long time either. Well, I did turn it on the other day, and let's see. There's the drive right there. And then this runs the ground here. Let's turn that back on. I wonder if this runs the water pump. Let's see. I can't remember where.